Vivo has emphasized the X Fold 5's slim and light design, combined with robust IP5X dust resistance and IPX8, IPX9 Plus water resistance. Reviews will likely praise its build quality and how it feels in hand, especially its resilience compared to other foldables. The hinge mechanism will be a key point of evaluation. Vivo has officially launched the X Fold 5 in China, marking a significant step forward in the foldable smartphone space. Marketed as the world's lightest large-format foldable phone, the X Fold 5 weighs just 270 grams in its titanium finish and introduces several industry firsts. Let's check out the key specs of this device. The X Fold 5 features an 8.03-inch inner AMOLED display with a 2K plus resolution of 2480 x 2200 pixels, supporting a 120Hz adaptive LTPO refresh rate and up to 4500 nits peak brightness. The outer screen is a 6.53-inch FH Plus LTPO AMOLED panel with the same 120Hz refresh rate and brightness level. Both displays support 10.7 billion colors, Dolby Vision, and high-frequency PWM dimming for reduced eye strain. The inner screen is protected by UTG glass, while the outer display uses second-generation Armor glass for improved durability. The phone runs on Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, combined with up to 16GB LPDDR5X RAM and up to 1TB UFS 4.0 storage. It uses a custom hinge-integrated antenna setup that improves signal strength by 36% in the folded state. Vivo has tuned the network performance in collaboration with Qualcomm for multi-band signal enhancement. The device runs Origin OS 5 based on Android 15 and introduces a new productivity-focused feature called Atomic Workbench. It supports up to 5 simultaneous apps in split-screen view with drag-and-drop functionality designed for heavy multitasking. The phone also integrates deeply with Apple devices, supporting AirPods, Apple Watch, Series 6 Plus, and Mac file management, including drag-and-drop and screen extension. Coming to the optics, the rear camera setup includes a 50-megapixel Sony IMX921 main sensor with OIS, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 50-megapixel IMX882 periscope telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom and 100x digital zoom. Vivo uses Zeiss optics and software to enable pro-level portrait modes, macro shots, and enhanced low-light photography. Both the inner and outer screens house 20-megapixel front-facing cameras. Vivo has developed the 6,000 mAh Blue Ocean battery in partnership with Tele. It uses 4th-generation silicon anode material and 2nd-generation semi-solid-state battery technology. The battery achieves an energy density of 866 Wh/year and can operate in extreme cold down to 30 degrees Celsius. The phone supports 80-watt wired charging, 40 watts wireless charging, and reverse wireless charging. The X Fold 5 uses a re-engineered hinge made from FS55 high-strength steel and carbon fiber. The X Fold 5 is the first foldable certified with IPX8, IPX9, and IPX9 Plus water resistance, capable of withstanding 80 degrees Celsius water and high-pressure jets. It is also rated IP5X for dust resistance. The device can operate in extreme cold conditions such as 920 degrees Celsius and is equipped with dual stereo speakers, NFC, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS with Nav-IC, and a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. Vivo has also included an industry-first design where the inner screen can be independently replaced. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.